Lidewij! As you can tell from the title, this video is about the pronunciation of the letter A, or as we would say in Dutch, A. Unlike in English, where some vowels have infinite ways of pronouncing them, each vowel in Dutch has 2 or 3 different pronunciations. So I'll talk about words that we stole from English later on, but in just Dutch words, the letter A has 2 different pronunciations. The first one is A. Like that. Yeah. If you see a single A in a word that has 1 syllable, and if it's not the last letter, because in that case it's different, it is always pronounced A. For example, got. Got. If the word has more than just 1 syllable, you can determine if it's an A by looking at the amount of consonants following the A you want to pronounce. If there is 2 or possibly more consonants after the A, you pronounce it like A. Gotten, gotten, tossen, tossen. Then the second pronunciation of the letter A we have is the way it's pronounced in the alphabet. A. In words that have 1 syllable, we write this A as a double A. So for example, vaag, vaag, laat, laat. The double A is always pronounced A, by the way, in whatever context or wherever you see it. In words that have multiple syllables, you need to look at the amount of consonants following the A again. So if there's 1 A followed by 1 consonant followed by another vowel, you know it's pronounced A. Examples of this would be raden, raden, and vragen, vragen. So to sum this all up, in words that have 1 syllable, a single A is A double A is A, and in words that have more syllables, an A followed by 2 consonants or more is A, and an A followed by 1 consonant is A. Oh, and A's all the way at the end of a word are always pronounced A. Like for example, sla, sla. Then there are 2 more ways of pronouncing the letter A, which are both, I guess, kind of stolen from English. And we also only use them in words that are stolen from English. The first way would be to pronounce it A, just like you do. For example, in cake and catering. The fourth way of pronouncing it would be as an E. This is kind of a weird thing because it's not exactly like English. We kind of Dutchified it, but yeah. Examples of this would be flat, flat, and tram, tram. Which I guess are both English-ish words, but we don't really pronounce the A like you do. We don't say flat, but we say flat. Side note, they don't do this in Belgium. For some reason they say flat and tram, which is way more correct, I guess, and awesome. And I'm just saying this so that I don't get like a bunch of angry comments. Booyah. Ow. So I think that's enough for now. This was very difficult for me to explain. I hope you understand it anyways. Okay, I'll see you some other time. Doeg!